Yes, my name is Ambassador Ayo Motosho, organizer of the African Youth Tourism Festival 2024. We started yesterday, day one. Today is day two of this event. It's a 5-day program that we design for this festival. You know, Next is Thursday, which is day three, and we are going to see a lot of activities like cultural display, mentoring the youth on a good note for tourism development programs, and those who want to take a career in tourism, hospitality, and the rest of them. By Friday, we are going to have we party down as a grand finale, at this place. Then we do a lot of musicals. We see a lot of talents, young talents from different background, to display their talents on Friday. Then on Saturday, we are going to be here as early as possible for Zumba dance. Then after Zumba dance, we do a city tour, to across the Atlantic, and also a beach tourism party. Before that, we are going to do a boat cruise, for this event. It's a whole lot of activities, attractions packed together for your delight, so that next time in 2025, by God's willing, you see a bigger event that we put together by our organization, in conjunction with our partners. Thank you very much. Thank you. I appreciate all the media and all our partners, specifically Naoto, that have come, to display, element of, food, culinary tourism across the 6 geopolitical zones in Nigeria. I'm sure we all enjoy that. See you again tomorrow. Tomorrow, we're starting in the afternoon to this evening. Thank you very much. Thank you.